So students, now let us see what is the relationship between the supply of US dollars and the exchange rate. So again we will draw the diagram. We will take x-axis, origin, y-axis same. On the x-axis we will show supply of US dollars. We will show supply of US dollars, and on the y-axis again I will show the exchange rate. Okay, I will show the exchange rate. Now again I am making an example that for instance at R0 1 US dollar is equals to 60 rupees, and this much Q0 amount of US dollars are being supplied. Alright. Now let us see what will happen if the dollar becomes expensive. That means at R1 when the dollar depreciates, when the rupee depreciates, that means we have to pay more rupees now for getting the same $1 good. What will happen? What will be the effect on the supply of US dollars? See, when this situation will happen, how the supply of the US dollars is happening, major supply of the US dollar happens due to the exports. That means when we export goods. Before, when we were exporting goods, we were exporting a good of 60 rupees at US $1. Okay, and now we are able to export good of 65 rupees at $1. So this is a beneficial situation for exporters. Now for 1 US dollar they will be getting 65 rupees. Before they were just getting 60 rupees for $1. So this situation will be beneficial for the exporters. So they would like to export more and more. Alright, the Indian people would like to invest in USA more and more because they are getting more rupees for 1 US dollar. So the supply will increase. The supply of US dollar will increase because the exporters would like to supply more when they get more rupee in exchange of $1. Now what happens if the opposite situation happens? If $1 is now of rupees 55, now at this situation when the rupee appreciates or the dollar depreciates, what will happen? It will be not so beneficial situation for the exporters. Before, exporters were able to export their good. वो पहले महंगे में बेच पा रहे थे अपनी गुड, 60 रुपए की बेच पा रहे थे और उनको $1 मिल रहा था. अब वो 55 रुपए की चीज $1 में बेच रहे हैं. So this situation is not that much beneficial for the exporters, and the supply of exports will reduce in this case. So we will get a upward sloping curve. We will get an upward sloping curve, and what we are able to conclude that there is a positive relation between supply of foreign exchange and the exchange rate. So the negative relation between demand for foreign exchange and exchange rate, and positive relation between supply of foreign exchange and exchange rate. Now when we will keep both these diagrams together, then we will be able to determine the exchange rate. Alright, we have to keep both this demand and supply of US dollars and the exchange rate in one diagram, and we will show the equilibrium situation.